Welcome back, productivity enthusiasts and AI lovers. Today, we're diving into the world of AI companions that are transforming the way we work, live, and manage our daily routines. Imagine having a personal assistant who never sleeps, never forgets, and always knows exactly what you need. That's the promise of today's AI-powered assistants. Whether you're looking to boost your efficiency, streamline your workflow, or simply stay more organized, these digital partners are here to help. In this video, we'll explore how AI assistants have evolved, what makes them so powerful, and how you can start leveraging their capabilities in your own life. Let's discover your new digital right hand together. AI-powered personal assistants have come a long way from simple voice commands. Today, they're sophisticated partners that can manage your schedule, handle complex tasks, anticipate your needs, and even engage in meaningful conversations. Think of them as a brilliant executive assistant, a knowledgeable researcher, a creative partner, and a reliable organizer all rolled into one, available anytime and anywhere. These assistants are quickly becoming the operating system for both our personal and professional lives, making it easier than ever to stay on top of everything. As we move forward, you'll see just how seamlessly these digital companions can fit into your daily routine. Let's take a quick journey through the evolution of personal assistants. In the 1990s, assistants could only handle basic voice commands like call home. The 2000s brought rule-based assistants with limited capabilities. The 2010s introduced voice-first assistants such as Siri, Alexa, and Google Assistant, making hands-free help mainstream. Now, in the 2020s, we have truly intelligent, AI-powered multimodal assistants. What sets modern AI assistants apart is their context awareness, proactive assistance, multimodal interaction, deep personalization, and the ability to actually execute tasks. Today's key players include ChatGPT, Google Assistant, Amazon Alexa, Apple Siri, Microsoft Copilot, and specialized assistants like Claude and Gemini. Modern AI assistants are packed with powerful features. They can manage your communications by triaging emails, drafting responses, and even scheduling follow-ups. When it comes to your calendar, they find optimal meeting times, resolve conflicts, and handle travel planning. For information management, they act as research assistants, organize documents, and retrieve information instantly. Task automation is another game changer. Imagine your assistant automating your morning routine, providing weather updates, summarizing your day, and even starting your coffee maker if your home is smart-enabled. These capabilities are designed to save you time and mental energy, letting you focus on what matters most. AI assistants today go beyond basic commands. They engage in natural, context-aware conversations, understanding not just what you say, but what you mean. With multimodal understanding, they process voice, text, images, and documents, making interactions seamless. Proactive assistance means your AI can suggest actions based on your habits, location, or even the weather, like reminding you to take an umbrella on a rainy day. Personalization engines learn your preferences, adjusting responses to match your style, whether you prefer formal or brief communication. These advanced features make AI assistants feel more like true partners than just tools. Curious about creating your own AI assistant? It's more accessible than ever. With basic Python skills, you can set up a simple assistant that chats, sets reminders, and even integrates with APIs for added functionality. By connecting to services like Google Calendar, email, and weather APIs, your assistant can schedule meetings, send invitations, and provide real-time updates. This hands-on approach not only boosts your productivity, but also helps you understand how these digital helpers work behind the scenes. Whether you're a developer or just tech curious, building your own assistant is a rewarding way to harness AI's power. AI assistants aren't one-size-fits-all. There are specialized assistants for writing, coding, research, and even health and wellness. Writing assistants help brainstorm ideas, improve clarity, and check grammar. Coding assistants can explain code, debug errors, and optimize performance. Research assistants summarize articles, find sources, and generate bibliographies, while wellness assistants track habits, suggest workouts, and provide nutrition advice. By choosing the right specialized assistant, you can supercharge your productivity in any area of your life or work. With great power comes great responsibility, especially when it comes to privacy and security. Modern AI assistants are designed with data protection in mind, using encryption, local processing, and anonymization to keep your information safe. Users have full control over their data, with transparent storage policies and easy deletion options. Best practices include regular security audits, data minimization, and secure API communications. Whether you're integrating your assistant with smart home devices or work tools, it's crucial to stay informed about privacy features and manage your permissions wisely. Looking ahead, AI assistants are set to become even more capable. Emerging features include emotional intelligence, predictive planning, seamless multimodality, and long-term memory. Technology trends like edge computing and federated learning will enhance privacy and performance, while specialized models will offer domain-specific expertise. The societal impact is profound. From revolutionizing productivity and accessibility to transforming education and healthcare. As we embrace these advancements, it's important to consider ethical questions around dependence, bias, transparency, and job impact. The future isn't about replacing humans, but about augmenting our abilities and working together for greater achievements. Ready to meet your AI assistant? For personal use, start with tools like ChatGPT Plus or Google Gemini, and experiment with voice assistants such as Alexa or Google Assistant. Try specialized tools for writing, coding, or wellness, and gradually integrate them into your daily routines. Developers can explore AI APIs, study conversation design, and build small, useful tools. For businesses, the key is to identify high-impact use cases, start with pilot projects, train employees, and measure productivity improvements. No matter your background, there's an AI assistant ready to help you achieve more. AI-powered personal assistants are evolving from simple tools to genuine partners in both our personal and professional lives. The most successful users will be those who learn to collaborate effectively with their AI assistants, leveraging their strengths while maintaining human judgment and creativity. The future isn't about humans being replaced by AI. It's about humans and AI working together to achieve more than either could alone. Remember, the best assistants make you more capable, not more dependent. AI is here to amplify your abilities and help you reach new heights.
Subscribe to Knowledge Hub, like this video, and tap the bell so you never miss what's next.